Hey guys, crazy RC guy here with the tracks. This slash. No, got the power. It was pretty wet out here today. I gotta pick this up, sorry. My dog likes. Back, Larry. Sorry about that. My dog. Right there. Ooh. Oh, damn. Ladder just fell. Back, buddy. Stop it. Okay. So this dumb ladder fell. I don't know why the hell it fell. But yeah, there we go. Just running no more. As I said, don't have a waterproof kit on here. But we're gonna try this. That didn't work. You can go out fast. See? Some down. Stay over here for the mud. Oh, that's water. That's not good. See, no more. No four-wheel drive. Take it down here to show you. There you go, implanted to the ground. Just that back wheel. No. Nothing. If you go fast into it, look at that. Torn to the ground. Really psycho. I should probably do that. Oh, that ride very fast too. I'm trying to avoid as much water as I can. Oh, look at that front bumper though. Gonna have to do a video on washing this thing. Got mud on there, I don't know if you can see that or not. This thing just muddy. The battery is fully charged. Oh, that's big water. Uh-oh. Here's what I'll tell you guys. Watch this. I think I heard my dog come out of the yard. I don't know. I don't have the best recording, but there's my dog. Watch this. Oh, there. He tries and chases it. Freaking dum-dum. Brand new video, dog. Hey! I gotta try and calm him down. Ay. You gonna stop? Yeah. Look what you did to this. Now we gotta go look at all the damage you did. Good job, buddy. You got him. He's dead. You got him, dude. Great hunting, dog. So now, let's see if this thing is still alive. I see several damage on the case. Look at that. Slabbery. I'm gonna go grab the controller. Damn it. F-250. The hell, dog? The hell? Case is damaged pretty bad. Call right here on this fender he got to it. I don't know about inside the case yet. Inside the case, it's all damaged. Look at that. That thing's broke too, that black fender. I have to do a review. Man. I don't know how well this wheel's holding up. But I'll drive it up and down here. Seems very okay. Well, thanks for watching. This was Crazy RC Guy, and I'm out. Peace.